Welcome to this explanation of Alliance Emotion Global Business. My name is Toyin Aluko. Alliance Emotion Global is number one direct selling company in the world, currently present in over 200 countries. The company distributes top of the line food supplements manufactured by Nature's Way USA. For full details about the products of Alliance Emotion Global, kindly visit our website www.allianceemotionafrica.com/products. Now, it may interest you to know that business you are about to see will give you decent daily income with or without buying and selling of any products. But first, let me show you 7 interesting things about this business. That is 7 reasons why most people love to do the business. Number one is the one-time purchase. That is, once you purchase the business package once, you are automatically enrolled into the lifetime business that pays you every day. The company will give you free products from time to time. You enjoy free international trips. And like I said, buying and selling is not a must. There is no auto ship. You also have opportunity to do multiple accounts to earn more. Getting started is very simple. Simply make a one-time purchase of your desired business package and request for the corresponding income plans that come with it. The number one is the starter plan for just 36,000 naira. It comes with an income potential of up to 10.5 million naira annually. We also have the entrepreneurs plan for 108,000 naira. It comes with an income potential of up to 30.5 million naira annually. And we have the international builders plan for 252,000 naira. It comes with an income potential of up to 70.5 million naira annually. Now, when you decide to join our business with any of these 3 packages, the company will give you varieties of products worth more than the amount of your money. You have business kits that contains all you need to run the business. We have online tracking centers, that is where you can log on to access your business any time of the day. You also have access to training and resources that will teach you how to run the business successfully and make money without stress. And of course, you are automatically enrolled into the lifetime international business of Alliance Emotion Global. Now, let me show you ways to generate income with Alliance Emotion Global Business. Number one is retailing, which is 100% optional. Your membership qualifies you for 25% lifetime discount on all the product of the company. Number two, refer customers and get paid for life. Under this, we have 2 different ways you generate income. The number one is direct referral bonus of 1,900 naira, and this is how it works. When you join the company, the computerized system of the company will place you on a spot in the general genealogy, and you are expected to refer at least 2 customers to the business who will also purchase a business package. And when that is done, the system will pay you direct referral bonus of 1,900 naira on each of them. That gives you a total of 3,800 naira. Of course, we will show you different ways through which you can get people even in their hundreds on Facebook and other social media. And of course, that is not all. The system will still pay you another bonus called the pairing bonus on the same 2 people you have brought into the business. The system will draw a line for you separating your left from right, and the man on the left with the man on the right will be paired together. Automatically your account will be credited with another 5,700 naira, giving you a total of 9,500 naira just on the 2 people you have brought into the business without buying and selling of anything. Now, everybody who joins the business is expected to do the same thing you have done, and by doing that, everybody in the business will continue to generate daily income. So when Mr. A also refers 2 people, he will also get paid 9,500 naira in total. When Mr. B also do the same thing, he will be paid 9,500 naira like you. Now, there is an application that tracks every member who joined the business after you through your initial member. So the same application will still ensure you get paid on this last set of people who joined your business. The matching bonus continues from here. That is, one from the left will be paired with one from right. You get paid 5,700. The second with the second, you get paid another 5,700 naira. That gives you additional 11,400 naira income, and already you have earned for yourself 20,900 naira just by joining the business and bringing 2 people. It doesn't end there. As people continue to join from the left, irrespective of who brings who and irrespective of the structure, and people continue to join from the right, irrespective of who brings who, you are going to get paid 5,700 naira, which could happen up to 16 times every blessed day, giving you opportunity to earn up to 91,200 naira every day. Now remember, no buying and selling, no maintenance, no auto ship, there is no time frame, you get free products, and of course you get paid every day directly into your bank account. Now you may want to ask, what if you join the business, you are able to refer two people, let's say Ada and Obi for instance, and they cannot get two people, they are only referring one. I am telling you, the system will still pay you. So far they are falling on the left and the right respectively. So even if it goes on like that, the system will still continue to pay you. Now what happens? Let's assume this is me. There is another interesting thing about the business. Let's assume this is me. I join the business, I refer you and Sarah, and you are able to refer Ada, which is just one person, but you are having difficulty referring the second person. You can still enjoy your income. That is, if I'm doing it full time for instance, and I'm getting the third person to the business, I cannot refer them to myself because our system is binary. Everyone needs just two people under them. So the next person I'm bringing to the business, which is Obi, will fall under you, and the system does not care. The system will still pay the two of them for you, and it will still pay you, so you get paid from your upline's referral. So even as you were not the one who referred Obi, and as he continues the business, you continue to get paid on them over and over again as the chain continues. That is how interesting our business is. Now we have the entrepreneur's plan, like I said earlier, which is 3 centers. All it means is you just purchasing 3 packages and give yourself a 3 centers in the business already on yourself without referring anybody. Your first account will earn a total of 9,500 naira the same way. All you need to do is get 2 people under each of your last accounts, and by doing that, account number 2 will earn 9,500, account number 3 will earn 9,500, and again account number 1 will earn 11,400. So instead of earning from one place, you are earning in different places just because you have subscribed for the entrepreneur's plan. The effort is almost the same. As your business continues, your 3 accounts continue to enjoy income, and if you are able to maximize the 16 matching bonus a day, that means your potential daily income is now 273,600 naira, and per week you could be earning 1.9 million naira plus, and also per month you could be earning over 8 million naira. That is how interesting the entrepreneur's plan is. And we also have international builders plan, which is the 3rd package, the 7 centers for 252,000 naira. All you need to do is register yourself in 7 places, and already you have instant 39,900 naira cash back even on yourself, apart from all the product that will have been given to you. All you need to do is to refer to 2 people under each of your last 4 accounts, and by doing that, the whole of your 7 accounts will earn. And from here, as people you refer to the business continue to refer others, your 7 accounts will be earning. You'll be earning from 7 different places instead of just one. That is how interesting the 7 account is also. Now if you are able to do the 16 matching bonus per day, it means your potential daily income is now 91,200 multiplied by 7, which is 638,400 naira. And in a week, you could be earning 4.4 million naira plus and 19.1 million naira plus per month, just because you have gone for the 7 centers for 252,000 naira. Now, apart from that, we have 4 different ways to earn from this business apart from the matching bonus. The number 1 is the Unilevel, and of course we have the Stair bonus, royalty income, profit sharing. You can have a full business presentation that explain all this other area on our website. Now, in closing, I want to quote from Robert Kiyosaki. He said, financial freedom is a mental, emotional, and educational process. That is, what you have just discovered is a form of education about how the business works. You have a right to react to it anyhow. You may say it may not work, but I am telling you, it doesn't change what the business is. it will only affect what you get out of it, of the business. It may interest you to know that this same business has already changed many lives all around the world. Imagine this in a single month. This is over ₦1 million income, and this is another one, 2.7 million naira plus in a single month. And if you look at the screen, you see pictures of cars achievers in the organization. When they make money, they pick up the cars of their choices. And also, this is an example of a daily income of somebody. If you notice the name, you see that this is the day one, 140,000 naira plus in a single day. Day two, the second day, over 138,000 naira in a single day. And day three, 94,000 naira plus, and day four, 91,000 naira. Imagine any this on a daily basis from this simple concept. Now, in case you consider this a very interesting business, but you are wondering, how can I get people? How can I refer two people into the business? By the grace of God, we have a solution for you. We'll give you tested and proven tips and ideas for getting as many people as you want without begging anyone. We have automated system for generating 10 to 20 leads on Facebook and other social media every blessed day, so you will never run out of people. You have quality tools and resources, everything we need, we use to generate leads on daily basis on social media and every other platform. We will give everything to you, and of course you have access to ongoing training with sound support system. Now the question is, are you ready? This video is brought to you by the best team in Africa, the Great Minds Alliance. I would suggest, if you like this business, I would highly recommend that you join an active team. It is not just about registering for Alliance in Motion Global, but in our team, we will give you all the support you need. We will follow you anywhere to do the business with you. Of course, we understand the game and we will definitely play with you. We have the top earners, international trainers, and professionals in our team who are always willing to help you. For more information about this business, kindly send a WhatsApp message to the number you are seeing on the screen, or you visit our website www.allianceinmotionafrica.com. Thank you for watching.